I think it's seeing what's possible or showing what's possible. It's hard to understand that shift if you aren't seeing an app in front of you, right? And so I think we have to just start getting more people to build stuff on open data. And once you see that thing built, wow, that's totally different than I thought this whole frame would be. I think the key is empathy, right? Is understanding what real problems are and then building solutions for them. I think even if you just open up data, it's hard to have the context of how that data could be useful or what you could do with it. And so that requires conversations, right? That requires talking to people who actually are inside the government, who are seeing the problems in real time, and sharing those ideas with the community so that when they build stuff, they're actually solving real problems. So on the city side, it requires having leadership that really cares about it. And in that way, we're fortunate that the mayor is very active and passionate about open data. On the community side, it's a little harder. In the city of Chicago, they actually have this group called Smart Chicago Collaborative. And what they do is they actually do like events where they actually will go into communities that typically don't talk about data, that typically don't have the kind of technology that other communities have, and actually get them to use it hands-on. And they actually do user testing for new civic apps with low-income communities to make sure that they're seeing the applications and using them. Well, in the past, the thinking had always been do like an app contest and provide them funding as like a winning thing, right? So you'll get 10K if you win an app contest. I think what we're moving towards actually, and what we're seeing in terms of more compelling incentives is actually non-monetary outcomes. Donors Choose actually did a hackathon or an app contest where the winner actually got to go on the Colbert Report, and that was really compelling. Got a lot of applications for it, right? So I think you have to think creatively about what are the kinds of things that you could do to get people excited.